Let's learn how to divide the number 144 by 9 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 9, so we will consider the number 14. We know that 9 times 1 is equal to 9. Subtract, we get 5. Now this 5 is less than 9. That is why we will bring down this number 4 here. Now we know that 9 times 6 is equal to 54. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 144 divided by 9 is equal to 16. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.